people tried in this division, but these are the grand winners. They're from Barnesville, Oklahoma. Their first entry ever here at the Quartet Convention. From a family of 9, these are 3, a group called the Graves family. Welcome them, please.
Oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed.
When Christ shall come with shout of acclamation
And take me home, what joy shall fill my heart. And then I'm gonna bow in humble